Watch out for that boat! You guys got it figured out already, huh? Hey, Charlotte! Hey, Hailey!
Josh, what the steps behind Mikey?
Watch out for that bridge! Oh no, they're going, they're going! They're going! Look out! Watch out! Ah! They're in, they're gone. Let's see if they come out the other side. Oh, they're gone forever. Where'd my girls go? Oh no. Anybody alive down there? Do I need to jump in? Huh? Oh wait, there's a boat. I see it. Oh, there they are. They're not, they're alive. They're alive. Where'd they go? Where are they? I hear you.
The other side.
They're on the other side. There they are. They're alive. Yay. Oh, she took her life vest off. She must be feeling pretty good. I can't see him anymore. I can't see him.
I'm not scared you was going to drop your phone.
No. I did this on a roller coaster ride, holding it up and recording. It's a new world we live in with these recorders, you know. Hey! I know you're under the bridge because you ain't coming out. Otherwise you'd be out here. Oh, I see, recognize those toes. Yep, they got 3 red and 3 black and a red, and that's them. That's my baby's toes. I know they're okay because that's their toes. Right there they are. Oh, I can't see them no more. Where are they going? And they're gone. Oh well, see you later.